Hi Ubies, the day has come to see if I've actually been able to grow some potatoes. So in the past when I've planted potatoes, I've only managed to get really tiny potatoes. I don't know what I'm doing, but no luck. So I planted some potatoes a few months ago and the tops have all died back. So I'm going to see if I've actually got potatoes there. Come and check it out. Okay, this is where I've got the potatoes planted, and you can see amongst the weeds that potato vine has pretty much carved it. It's all manky. So I'm going to dig it up and see if there's anything in there. So I got some potatoes, and I got some reasonable size ones. There's a big one. None of them are green or anything. I didn't hill them up. I just put them in there and let them grow. Got lots of little ones. Little baby potatoes. They're going to be yummy. But I'll lay them out and let them dry. It's really wet and humid here, so these guys are not going to be suitable for any sort of long time storage or anything. So I'll let them dry a bit and I'll scrape the dirt off and I'll eat them or I'll give some away. That is the old mushy seed potato. Yuck. On the compost. Yuck.